You might have heard the wild claims. The ones that say a small silver coin, so ordinary it could be hiding in your pocket right now, might be worth hundreds, thousands, even millions. Some say it's just a myth. Others say they've seen it happen. Today, we're looking at the 2014 United Kingdom 10 pence coin, and before you brush it off as just loose change, stay with me until the very end, because its real value might not be what you expect. Let's start with what you see. The 2014 10p coin is part of the UK's decimal coinage, made of cupronickel, 75% copper, 25% nickel, giving it that durable silver tone. On its reverse, it features a portion of the Royal Shield of Arms, a modern design first introduced in 2008. This shield design was a clever innovation. Each coin from 1p to 50p carries a piece of the shield, and when you arrange them together, they form the complete image. On the 10p, you'll see two lions passant guard ant, one of England's most famous heraldic symbols, representing bravery, power, and tradition. Flip it over and you meet Queen Elizabeth II, captured in her fourth definitive portrait by sculptor Ian Rank Broadley. This portrait, used on UK coins from 1998 until 2015, shows a more mature and realistic image of the Queen, wearing the girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara. Surrounding her image are the Latin words Elizabeth II, D.R.G., Reg. Fid. Def. 2014, translated as Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen, Defender of the Faith. It's a phrase steeped in history, tracing back centuries in British monarchy tradition. Now, here's where things get interesting. The Royal Mint struck tens of millions of these coins in 2014. That means, in most cases, they're extremely common, the kind of coin you'd find in your change without a second thought. But as any coin collector knows, it's not just the date that matters, it's the details. Collectors hunt for error coins, rare mistakes that happen during minting. We're talking misaligned strikes, double strikes, missing designs, or coins struck on the wrong metal blank. These errors are so scarce that they often slip through unnoticed until they end up in circulation. And when they do surface, collectors are willing to pay far more than face value. A typical 2014 10p with no errors? Just worth its face value, 10 pence. But an error version? That's where prices can climb. So what's the highest price one could fetch? A circulated, standard 2014 10p, 10 pence, no surprises there. A brilliant uncirculated version, £1 to £3. Proof coins from official Royal Mint sets, £4 to £6. And rare, dramatic minting errors. Those can jump to £50, £100, even £150 or more, depending on rarity and demand. That's the reality. The million-dollar rumors? Fun to imagine, but not based on fact for this particular date and design. Still, the 2014 10 pence coin is more than just a piece of small change. It's a link to British heritage, a piece of a clever modern design puzzle, and for the lucky few who stumble upon a rare error, it could be a modest but exciting treasure. So next time you're handed a 10p, take a second look. Because in the world of coins, it's never just loose change, until you know its story.